Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, I've written a question here. Find maximum and minimum of given numbers using array. So in this program, I just use array and I'll take numbers from the user and it will evaluate, and after it will show the maximum and minimum numbers among the given numbers. So whether that will be 5 numbers, 10 numbers, any numbers which user wants, any quantity or amount of user numbers which user wants. So let's start this. Without wasting the time, I want to have initialize uh, a variable I, and obviously size is needed here. So maximum number is 0 now, so minimum also 0. So let's take a number from the user as I said earlier. So enter size to find largest and smallest of given numbers. So, and after that, let's have a scanf because we just want to store somewhere %d obviously, because integer it will be integer, and now just I want to save on size, and let's have integer a will be the size. This is an array, as you know. I've declared this with a size, and now I want to have another printf print numbers and array, means how many numbers you want to enter in array. So let's have a for loop here. As you know that I is equal to I is 0 because I have already declared this I here, and I is 0. I lesser than size, I just increment this I. After that, let's scan it because we just want number from the user. So AI, so add here. And after that, minimum, I just want to initialize them. Maximum a 0. I have initialized both of them. Let's have another for loop here. I is 0, so semicolon, I lesser than size, once again semicolon, I plus plus. So there's curly braces, and after that I just want to have some conditions. I use if a 0 I, because I've used here I just take here. So if I is greater than maximum, just assign this maximum as a I. So I want to have once again the if condition. If AI is lesser than minimum, so just assign this to minimum. So keep in mind that this semicolons are necessary here. Now after this, I just want to print. I just take just show the value. The largest number as %d obviously will be maximum. I just want to here print a new line, and the smallest number is %d and minimum. So this is ready, the program is ready. Now let's run this. I just want to explain a little this, and after that I will learn. So I've declared first, and after that I've initialized here, as you see, and for loop, I, size, maximum, minimum. Both of them I've initialized both of them with 0. So I just take size, and after that I've saved here or the address of size, and I just declared an array with size. So this is numbers and array, just another for loop, and I take all the numbers. Basically this means that it takes from the user, it says that how many numbers you want to enter. For example, if the user wants to enter 5 numbers, so it will give and it will be saved here. So after that it will just have this maximum, minimum, and this for loop will be run, and it just check these conditions if true. So they will provide this information, this maximum and minimum informations, and at the end they will print these 2 statements. Now let's run this. We just see. Obviously I've not put it here comma, but semicolon I put it. So make sure to have semicolon in your program. So as you see that enter size to find largest and smallest of given marks, given numbers. We'll see. I just want to enter 5. It means 5 numbers I want to enter. So now I just enter 100, 2, 3, random number I want to enter. So as you see that the largest number is 100 and the smallest number is 2 among all of them.